Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. Thank you to the chairperson. My name is Muhammad Hidayat Ahmad Kamal. I am a postgraduate student from University Technology Malaysia. Today, I will present my research with the title Digital Induced on Free Convection Nanofluid Flow near a Stagnation Point with Newtonian Heating. This research was done together with my supervisor, Dr. Anati, Dr. Lin, Dr. Nuraihan, and also Associate Professor Dr. Sharidan Shafi'i. First of all, here is the outline for today's presentation. We will start with the introduction where I will explain on related field on my research that motivate me to conduct this research, then followed by the problem statement. Then I will explain on the objective that we want to achieve in this study. After that, I will introduce the mathematical modeling that describe the flow problem that I considered together with its analysis on the effect that will be discussed on result and discussion part. And the last part would be the conclusion of the study. I will start the introduction with the fluid mechanics that is very related to this study. It is defined as a subdiscipline of a physics that concerns on the mechanics of the fluid itself, either liquid or gases, and some other cases even plasma. This field of study can be classified into two classes, either fluid dynamic that study on the moving fluid and fluid static that study on the stationary fluid. Boundary layer flow is actually a subdiscipline of a fluid mechanics as Prandtl introduced it in 1904. Is defined as a thin fluid flow near a body surface where the effect of viscosity are significant. Since most of the engineering problem can be mathematically formulated, the fluid flow problem was also governed mathematically that firstly introduced by Navier-Stokes equation. Later, Prandtl reduced the problem for boundary layer scope only based on some assumption. As this research related to boundary layer flow, the flow problem are subjected to boundary condition at the boundary body itself. One of the boundary conditions are known as Newtonian heating that denoted as conjugate heat transfer where the heat is transmitted to the ambient fluid with a rate proportional to the local wall temperature. In the past, the prescribed wall temperature or constant wall heat flux was generally assumed for modeling the convection flow. However, the assumption is not always realistic and in some particular application fail to work. The stagnation point, on the other hand, defined as a point that exists at the body surface where the local velocity of a fluid is zero or the fluid itself is at rest. On boundary layer flow, the stagnation point field of a study are considered important due to it hold the highest local pressure. This theory are actually supported by Bernoulli equation. In 1911, Hemis was the first successfully derived the stagnation point problem into the Navier-Stokes equation. As the advancement of technology, the nanofluid was invented as it defined as a mixture of conventional fluids such as water or ethanol that have low thermal characteristic with small amount of nanoparticles that have higher thermal conductivity. This theory was supported by experimental study that conducted by Choi in 1995 that show the heat property enhancement are achieved with just addition of small amount of copper nanoparticle. As the study was conducted under microgravity environment, there exists an effect that only occurs under this condition known as jitter. Jitter is defined as a small fluctuating gravitational field that produced from the crew motion and machine vibration. Thus, mathematicians model this behavior depend on time as in the slide. The model is subjected to two parameters, which is amplitude of modulation and frequency of oscillation. Thus, from the literature review, it motivates us to conduct a theoretical study on nanofluid boundary layer flow near a three-dimensional stagnation point region under microgravity effect and the microgravity environment with Newtonian heating boundary condition. As the study was performed, we want to explore on how does mathematical modeling describe the nature of free convection boundary layer nanofluid flow near a three-dimensional stagnation point body under microgravity environment with Newtonian heating boundary condition. And how does the presence of considerate effects such as jitter, curvature ratio, and nanoparticle volume fraction affect the fluid motion behavior? As for the objective of the study, we want to introduce mathematical formulation of the nanofluid boundary layer flow near a three-dimensional stagnation point region under microgravity environment with Newtonian heating boundary condition. And we want to solve the governed partial differential equation numerically using implicit finite difference approach. And the last one is we want to analyze the effect of digital curvature ratio and nanoparticle volume fraction in terms of profile and physical quantities. Presented here is the physical model of the flow problem that we considered that integrated into three-dimensional orthogonal Cartesian coordinate system. As we consider an unsteady free convection nanofluid flow near a three-dimensional stagnation point region under microgravity environment, the stagnation point can be divided into either nodal or saddle point. And in this study, nodal point was chosen due to its properties that have most practical shape in it. Here is the mathematical model that governs into partial differential equation that consists of momentum and energy equation. This system of equation describes the flow behavior and heat transfer occurs at boundary region. The nanofluid model here focusing on thermal characteristics that described and explained well by Tuari and Das. As this problem was subjected to Newtonian heating boundary condition and no slip boundary condition that described in here, since this study adopt a nanofluid model that discussed by Tuari and Das, the nanofluid correlation or nanofluid constant are important in connection between the nanoparticle and the base fluid. Thus, the introduced here is the nanofluid correlation that derived from Maxwell and Bridgman model. Again, since nanofluid model applied here focusing on thermophysical properties, the table provides all the information needed such as density, specific heat capacity, and thermal conductivity. The table shows three different types of nanoparticle information, which is copper, alumina, and titania, and water that act as a base fluid. In reducing the complexity in solving the system of equation introduced before, semi-similar transformation technique was applied using semi-similar variable that will change the system of equation into dimensionless form and reduce the dependent variable. Thus, a dimensionless form of system of equation were produced subjected to dimensionless boundary condition. This equation was then solved using implicit finite difference approach known as Kähler-Box method. After solving the problem using Kähler-Box method, the problem were analyzed subjected to the effect considered in terms of profile and physical quantities. Presented here is the physical quantities consists of skin friction coefficient in x and y direction together with the Nusselt number. From the table, at c equal to 0, there is no changes at skin friction on y direction, and the curvature ratio C equal to 0 presenting the nodal point located at the cylinder body shape. These stagnation point flow cases are known as plane stagnation point flow. On the other hand, the skin friction coefficient at x and y direction are found to be the same at C equal to 1. This situation, on the other hand, called as axisymmetry stagnation point flow cases that caused by spherical boundary body. On the other hand, this figure shows the velocity and temperature profile with various values of amplitude of modulation and different size of frequency of oscillation. As we can see, as we increase the size of frequency of oscillation, both velocity profile and temperature profile will be decreased, and as for the effect of amplitude of modulation, there will occur a fluctuating there will occur a fluctuation on the both profile. Here, on the other hand, we present the velocity and temperature profile result with various values of curvature ratio and also the Biot number. As we can see, as we increase the Biot number, both velocity and temperature profile will be increased. The result of the Biot number also presented in terms of skin friction coefficient and Nusselt number. As we can see, as the Biot number increase, all the physical quantities will be increased. Presented here there is the temperature profile with various values of nanoparticle volume fraction. As we can see, as we increase the nanoparticle volume fraction, the temperature profile is increased. Thus, we can say that additional of nanoparticle in this flow problem will enhance the thermal behavior. And the last one is we show the variation of skin friction coefficient and Nusselt number with various values of nanoparticle volume fraction. As we can see from the table, as we increase the nanoparticle volume fraction, all the physical quantities will be increased. And for the conclusion, the boundary layer nanofluid flow under microgravity environment near the stagnation point is successfully studied with Newtonian heating boundary condition. And we can conclude that the curvature ratio parameter significantly determine the type of stagnation point flow. And the second one, the increases of frequency of oscillation decrease velocity and temperature profile. And increases of Biot number increase both profile and temperature profile, and also the physical quantities. And the last one, additional of nanoparticle increase temperature profile, skin friction coefficient, and also the Nusselt number. Thank you for listening.